Hello and welcome to the MrsMakerBee YouTube channel. I'm Lucy and I started this channel during the COVID-19 crisis because I normally run a weekly club with Year 4 at a local school where we do a lot of Lego building, we learn about digital and physical making, we learn about basic mechanics, we do lots of creative projects. We've been doing things with microbits and with makeys and all sorts of things and scratch coding. And during this crisis, I wanted to give little projects for children to be able to carry on doing at home from my club and the school in general, but also thought there may be other people who'd find this useful. So, apologise that a lot of these videos are very amateur. I don't have a lot of kit here, but hopefully, if you like being creative, if you like building things with Lego, if you like doing craft projects and coding projects, then slowly I'm going to try and put lots of videos up here for you to give you projects to try out. So have fun and enjoy. Thanks very much. Bye.